Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys an easy way to mask your text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text and I'm going to add in my default text here, and I'm just going to type in the word tutorial. I don't know why, just randomly, and I'm just going to select this as the font. You can use any font that you want. I'm also going to select a color, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm just going to change the colors of them. I'm just going to copy and paste a few because I want to add dots to the text. So what I mean is that you have to right click, create compound clip on each of the text. I know it is super tedious, but just trust me on this. I'm just going to place this to the right first because I'm just going to show you here. So go to mask and add in any shape you want, maybe this heart one. And for instance, I'm gonna place it here. I should really use smaller text. And then here again, I'm going to add in this heart shape. You don't have to do this, but you can do the shape. It is easier to use the rectangles ones. But yeah, you're just going to do that to all of the text if you want, or whichever shape. Again, this is just the example. I'm gonna place that there. Right click, create compound clip. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful. Sorry. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!